Sojourners. I am here. I'm still at work. I am almost finished framing out the run. Okay, and remember, I'm working alone, so I have my little helpers to hold up the ends for me. I'm doing this by myself, so I have to find a way to get my stuff plumb. So here we are, and I have this plumb, and I'm going to be casting it in. Okay, right. So that's it. These are so helpful, like two other hands. Alright guys, so hold it. Still plumb and looking good. Okay, so I have in one, as you can see, my level, it is all plumb right around it. Okay guys. Okay, so as you can see, this area coming out here is the run for the chicken coop, and this part here is the front. So guys, here is the front of it. So here guys, this is their roosting area. This is what inside looks like. This is their nesting box over here. Right on this side you have their nesting box, but I have closed it off now so that they don't sleep in it. And here, see the bars, they go up to roost on those bars, and they have their light inside here to clean this off. So look how easy it is. I just scrape this off. There is no smell, absolutely no smell, and they have been in here for 2 weeks now. So here we have a small door, and I can always just push my wheelbarrow up here and clean out all that poo when it's time for it to be cleaned. I have this door, I can always open it. I have a thermometer inside, so I can always check to see what's going on with the temperature inside there. Or the main door to the coop. Okay, here I have two nesting boxes. Right, so this one, as you can see, they have not been opened since I made them. So here you can take a closer look at it. All right, so as you can see, inside has a nice little screen made from fabric cloth, and that will give the hens some privacy when they are ready to lay. So if you notice that this opens like that, okay, so this area opens like down like that. Okay, so that's one nesting box. Okay, so here on top I still have another nesting box. This nesting box came with the original Coop that I bought online, but I added this portion to it. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is the nesting box. So these are my two nesting boxes. Then around here I have another utility door, and this door, I decided to place this door on it so that in case I want to do any maintenance inside, I have a big area that I can push my body inside and work. So here, okay, so here they have their roosting bars, and I'll let you see. So as you can see, inside here they have 1, 2, 3 roosting bars. They have light inside here, and you will also see that that's the opening through which they walk. Look, Toby. Hey, Toby. Toby's just listening. Okay, so that area is their exit to go to the run, and I made them a nice little stepping up there. As you can see inside, you see, so they have a deep box inside there, right? This can hold a lot more. So in the next 3 or so months, I wouldn't change the litter in here. All this pine shaving, I'm not going to be changing that in another 2 or 3 months. Right, so right here at the bottom I have another utility door, and this is for changing their feed and their water, so I don't have to go inside the cube to do all of that. Okay, oh hey girls, hey girls, how are you doing? Hi girls. Hey, right, so I'm inside now, and here they have their little swing, and they love the swing so much. So they have their dusting box over there, and I show you how I made this dusting box. There they have their feed container and their water container out there. Okay, hey Toby, hey Toby, hey, look at this. Look at Mello on my arm. Wow, she's so adorable. Hey Mello, no, she's picking my hand. Look at, she's searching my hand for treat. She thought I brought treat inside here. Can you imagine? She thought I brought treat inside here. She is picking my hand, searching my hand. She is busy searching my hand for treat. Oh my goodness. Hey Bella Bella, I didn't take any treat this time, okay? Can you go down so I can you get down so I can finish my video? Hey Mello, can you get down, Mello Bello? Can you please get down? Toby, please don't come up here. Okay, all right, Mello. Hi, Mello. Yeah, see? You see how beautiful you look? Good, thank you. Right back on my arm. All right, get down. Let me finish my video, please. Hey. All right, so they have a little perching bar here in the corner, and they have their little walking area that they, and you know what I'm happy about? They give me no problem in going up into their roosting area when it's time. Now guys, you'll notice that I have installed an automatic solar door, and it works so well. Yes, there it is. It opens at 7 in the morning and closes at 8 at night, which gives them enough time to go up. Sometimes they will go up and come back and play around before they finally, they're like children, they play around before they finally decide to go in. So I made a little platform here for them to walk out. Can you see that? So they walk out, step on that little platform there. I have not even painted it yet, right? And then they usually just fly off that that thing. They don't walk down, they just fly off. Yeah, so that is it. So that's their automatic door, and I tell you, it is a saver. It's a lifesaver, I'm telling you. I don't have to come out here to open. to let them in or out. Okay, and it also has, what did I do with a remote control? It has a remote control that I can open it in case I need to from outside. I don't have to come in here to open it. All right, so there it is. Okay, so guys, and they have that little toy, you know, they just pick at it. It makes a little sound when they pick at it. Oh, it makes a nice little sound that they like to play around with it. So here my girls are, guys, and this, look at them. Yes, guys, so here are my beautiful. Thank you all for viewing, and for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Before you leave, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about my chicken coop. I built this by myself. Now I am not a professional. I did it the way that I could manage it. So you can leave your comments in the comment section